This is my 1975 VW Type 2 camper van. It was all stripped down and then lovingly restored to its former glory. It has new brakes, front and rear, including booster and master cylinder, and new axle shafts. It is undersealed throughout. It has a new clutch, a new alternator. This is a rebuilt 2-litre engine with dual Weber-style carburetors. All the rubber window seals were replaced. New rubber door seals, window scrapers and chrome trim. The sides and ceiling are insulated and lined with wood panels. The interior was custom built with sustainable bamboo hardwood. The bench seat opposite the sliding door is a great place to sit and look out at the view. There's a drawer underneath the seat with a latch to keep it closed when driving. The seat back folds up, covering the window. Bedding can be stored behind the seat back and simply rolled out when needed. This is 32 inches wide, very comfortable for one person. Just fold the bedding away and drop the seat back down again. For 2 people, the seat back cushion stays down when the back is folded up. Undo a catch and slide the seat out. The cushion fits in the back, making a 4-foot wide sleeping space for 2. The drawer continues to be accessible, even with the sliding door closed. To convert the bed back to a couch, simply lift out the cushion, slide the base back in, and drop the seat back down again. There's a cupboard that's suitable for shoes, with a drawer for other stuff. Another drawer, ideal for food storage. This one's also accessible from the top. There's a small fold-up table and a cup holder. On the roof is a 100-watt solar panel. This is the control for the solar panel with USB and 12-volt power outlets. Here's a closet space for hanging clothes. The sink and stove will open up for cooking inside the bus. There's a new sliding window to provide ventilation. There's a drawer for utensils and more storage in the top. There's a table inside which stows next to the driver's seat and works for both the bench seat and the passenger seat. The sink and stove also open to the back of the bus for cooking outside. The water tap extends out to the sink. The utensil drawer also opens outwards. The water nozzle folds away and is held safely in place. This is a removable water bag which can be hung up and used as a shower. The outer surface is designed to heat up in the sun. And this is the main water tank, which also gets warm in the sun. On the roof is a 100-watt solar panel. This connects to an auxiliary battery, and a battery isolator connects that to the engine battery. The solar controller handles the charging of the battery. This shows the voltage, and there's a USB and a 12-volt outlet. A small box houses all of the connections and some fuses. The refrigerator fits neatly in the back. It opens from the top, allowing access from outside and from inside. It plugs into its dedicated 12-volt socket, which is fused inside the box. The temperature is set by controls on the top. Many different items can be kept cold inside the fridge, including, of course, a cold beer. So there you have it, folks. The green bus renovation story.